Hey guys, welcome to Math This Week. So we are going to be working on story problems this week, and specifically double-step story problems. So story problems that have two parts, two questions, meaning you have to do some math to solve two different problems. So this says, how many more to 100? Story problem practice. If you remember, before we left school for conferences and this very long break, we were working on problems involving the sticker station. So people go to sticker station and they can buy strips of stickers that come in a 10. They can buy single stickers of ones, or they can buy entire sheets of stickers that are hundreds. We're going to be solving double-digit story problems today, okay? So here's one we're going to do together. So problem 1, Larry went to sticker station. He bought 17 dolphin stickers and 25 whale stickers. How many stickers did he buy in all? Let's think about that. I know I have to stop and think about the important numbers first. So, what are the important numbers in this story? 17 is one, you're right. What's the other? 25, you're right. So, he bought 17 and 25. How many did he buy in all? Are you adding or are you subtracting? You're right. In all is a clue that we're adding. So we have to add 17 and 25 together. In class, we have lots of different resources. Some of you guys use place value blocks in class. So we don't have those at home, but remember, we've learned to draw pictures. So for tens, you can do a straight line, and for ones, you can do a dot. So what were my numbers again? Let's see, Larry bought 17 stickers and 25 stickers. So I'm gonna make 17, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then he bought 25. For 25, I need 2 10s, and I need 5 ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. When I count this together, I have the chance to do some regrouping. Remember we talked about we can combine ones to make another set of 10, right? So I know that these 5 ones, and I know that these 5 ones from over here, if I have 7, I can take 5 of those and make another 10, okay? So I have, count with me by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. You might do that on a pencil and paper to solve these problems. You might also, I'm going to link a link to a hundreds chart for you. So here's an example of a hundreds chart. You can use this at home. I'll put a link in Google Classroom for you to use it at home. So I had 17 and 25 more. Is it going to be easier to start at 17 or start at 25? You're right. Always start with the bigger number. So if I start at 25, I want to count 17 more. So I know 17 more is 1 10 and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got the same answer. I got 42. And then I can clear this every time I use it. Okay, I'll link that hundreds chart for you. The other thing I could do is use a number line. So if I wanted to do 17 plus 25, I could start at 17. Let's see. So here's 17. I can start at 17, and I could count 25 more. Let's see, I'm not sure how to do this digitally. There we go. So I know 17 plus 10 gets me to 27, plus another 10 would get me to 37. So that's 10 plus 10 is 20. I'm trying to add 25. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I got the same answer. I got 42 again. So regardless of your strategy, my best answer here would be, I'm going to make sure I change my color, 42, Oopsie, I didn't want to highlight it. I just wanted to change my color. There we go. 42 what? 42 stickers. Okay, so here's part 2 of the problem. Part 2 says, how many more stickers does Larry need to get to 100? So he has 42, but we're trying to count on to 100. So again, you want to pick your tool. You might use the number chart, and you might highlight 42 and figure out how many more to get to 100. Let's count by tens first. Ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. I counted 58 more to get to 100. I could also use my number line. Let's see, I want to delete this. So I'm starting at 42, and I'm trying to get all the way to 100. So I'm going to slide this over so I have 42 over on the left part of my screen. I'm not sure if I'll be able to stretch my screen enough. So the first thing I want to do is I want to count up to the next 10. So I'm at 42. Do you guys see the next 10? What's the next 10 when I count by tens? 10, 20, 30, 40. I already passed 40. The next 10 would be 50. Okay. So how many is that if I count from 42 to 50? So 2 tens plus how many more makes a 10? 42 plus how many more makes 50? If you thought 8, then you're right. Okay. So now I'm at 50, and you can probably think in your head, 50 plus how many more tens gets to 100. Okay. So 50 plus 10 more gets me to 60. Plus another 10 gets me to 70. Let me slide my screen over. Just like we're counting on the hundreds chart. Plus another 10 gets me to 80. And finally, another 10. You guys are really good at counting by 10, so this should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now this one, for some reason, it's wanting me to drag it and make it bigger. Oops. How did I make that bigger? Plus another 10 gets me to, I know you guys, number lines aren't your favorite. That's why I'm making it an option this week. If you want to stretch your brain, this is a good interactive site to really help you practice number lines. Okay. So now I counted up. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 8 is 58. I got the same answer as the hundreds chart. Finally, I could use stickers. Let me see how I clear this. Reset all. That's probably a good plan. So if I have 50, let's see, I have 42 stickers. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. First, I have to think about this. How many more do I need to finish this 10? To finish this 10, how many more stickers do I need? Okay. If you said 8, you're correct. I need 8 more stickers. So those 8 more stickers would get me to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then I would need 5 more 10s. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I put those 8 more right there also. Now remember, you guys don't have place value blocks at home probably, but you could do this on pencil and paper. You could use a pencil and paper, you could use a whiteboard if you have one, and you could draw the 10s and 1s, okay? So here, my best answer would be, how many more stickers does he need? He needs 58 more stickers, okay? So that's an example of the first problem. I'm going to record just the one video for today. If you need to go back and watch it again, you can watch it again. And then I'm going to have some other problems for you to do just like that on here that I'll assign to you. So I'll make some more problems, and your job this week in math is going to be to solve some of these sticker station story problems. I will link the number line and the number chart to you so that you have those resources. If you want to use those, you can click on the link and you can use those resources. Or you could use pencil and paper and just solve it with pencil and paper and then type your answer into the box. Okay. Again, if you need to watch the video again, watch the lesson again. And I miss you guys and I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. I hope the math this week is easy for you and goes really well. Love you.